I'm so excited that you are here and I'm nervous as well. But okay. मैम, जब भी मैं बैठ के कभी सोचती हूँ हमारे फील्ड के बारे में, साइकोलॉजी के बारे में, तो हमने वो बचपन में पोएम पढ़ी थी, रोड नॉट टेकन. सो मुझे लगता है कि जो हमारी फील्ड है, इट्स अगेन अ रोड लेस टेकन. अभी तो आई गेस और इंडिविजुअल्स आ रहे हैं क्योंकि इट्स ग्रोइंग, बट जब मैं पहले जाऊँ तो जब मैं 12th में थी, आई फाउंड इट रियली डिफिकल्ट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टू कन्विंस माई पेरेंट्स दैट आई वॉन्ट टू परस्यू दिस फील्ड. और जब मैं इसमें आई भी तो आई वॉज वेरी कन्फ्यूज कि क्या करना है. एंड मुझे लगता है कि हमेशा एक गाइडेंस की कमी रही in the starting and I felt really lost. So ma'am, I really want to know because मुझे लगता है oh wow she's so cool, she knows everything, but क्या आपने भी कुछ issues face करे so that you know other students can also relate to it?
My father straight away told me, I'll disown you if you get into this field, because more than anything else, my father had a very strong opinion about individuals in the field of mental health, what kind of individuals get into this field, and he had a lot of reservations. So I'm talking about a time period where there were only two kinds of careers. Either you were supposed to be an engineer or you're supposed to be a doctor. I was supposed to be a doctor or an engineer, and I chose to be a behavioral scientist. I wanted to specialize in clinical psychology. So at that point of time, there were very few universities that were giving an extensive program. Or they were, giving it out as a professional degree or a training. So yes, the problems you face, the same problems I have faced. Probably mine were even more complicated because at that point of time the resources were not available, and individuals that I had come across a lot of times. Nowadays people already know about Rehabilitation Council of India. What's a CRR number? Why is it important? What is the licensing body? They have an understanding of mental health. But the time that I come from, it was very easy for any individual from any field claiming themselves as a counselor or a psychologist, and it was extremely difficult to differentiate. Nowadays, at least people have access to information. So that time, I still used to have a very hard time. The one individual who was very supportive of me was my mother. And why did I get attracted towards this field was because I saw a Didi who was preparing for her B.Ed. And she was reading a book on child psychology. Wow. I was in 9th standard that time. I think that's when you're a teenager and you start to explore. So that was one. Another book that I read was one of my first books related to mental health. Anything to do with mind was Learn Faster, Remember More. Because I was about to give my board exams and I was wanting to learn faster and remember more, so I got through that. First time I learnt about hippocampus, I thought, interesting to hai, something to do with biology, and that's how I got interested in this field. Then after that, it was a bit of discussion and a lot of negotiation, come argument. Then my parents understood that it's fine if I venture for a career into this. However, my initial contact was with really, really well-versed professors. They were themselves trained at NIMHANS. They were themselves trained at CIP, RINPAS, IBHAS, as a result of which the foundation of my education during bachelor's and master's was really good. This was the reason why I was more attracted to get into higher education, more specialization in the field. So I'd give the credit to these bunch of people.
Like, obviously, sometimes when we find somebody who is supporting and जिससे हमें और knowledge मिल सकती है, so obviously it creates something else in us. Like I've also seen, I like to share this experience.